Those lasers will cut you in half! Engage your reflectors! There it is! Ephemeris!
Susie, what are you doing here?
Leading an assault.
I know how you feel, kid. A few years ago, I'd be doing the same thing, but running into something you're unprepared for isn't going to bring them back. Tell you what, why don't you and your friends guard this spot for us?
You mean like hold the perimeter?
Exactly. No one in, no one out.
You guys want me to hold the perimeter too?
You're coming. And stop falling to the back of the group. You're not fooling anyone.
Those shields look pretty powerful. You may want to give your reflectors a try.
Greetings, interlopers. Your friends in the sky have informed me that you'd like a word with a master. I hope you'll permit me to facilitate an introduction.
Evo?
How did you get in here? You have to go. He's going to be upset. Very, very upset.
Who's going to be upset?
Nevo. You didn't tell me you were expecting guests.
I'm sorry. They must have circumvented the defense system.
Silence! You four have been quite meddlesome.
You stole the plans to Dr. Croyd's protomorphic energy extractor?
You should have seen the look on Nevo's face. He even tried to stop me, if you can believe it.
Stop!
I would have disposed of him, but he's actually been quite useful. Building my collectors, modifying ephemeris. He's been a wonderful pet.
What does a little furball like you need with a spaceship and a protoplasmic energy dinger?
Protomorphic energy extractor, you simpleton. And the answer is freedom.
Guys, I don't think these are comet pieces. These are from a planet.
The smaller ones are easy to control, but larger life forms have always been problematic.
You insane bastard!
Ironically, slovenly bottom feeders succeeded in the one area we could not. This is the future! A machine that can force our consciousness into vessels worthy of our intelligence. With this, Tauronux will be reborn! And I can't have you lot ruining it.
Let's see how you buffoons fare against my collector minions. I spent too long developing this machine to be stopped by the likes of you! Now, you'll pay for that! You know how much work was put into this other throne! Lousy shield!
My, still alive. This is all pointless, you know.
In a few hours, our kind will possess enough monsters to spread across this galaxy and...
Ow!
You! I don't think I need you anymore, little pawn! Get away from me!
What are you doing, you fool? Let go! No!
Don't let him turn it on!
Mr. Tinkle's fat!
I've got something! According to the Polaris database of needlessly violent predators, the Riken 5 Gribblenox has the natural ability to augment his body through digestion. Huh? Wonder if that extends to digesting fire. Well, that solves that mystery.
I am in the lead.
Absorb the Zagroot's electrical and regenerative powers. Shri Criminy! That means he's invulnerable.
Need to separate the spirit from the Gribblenox. Nevo, you've worked with the machine for years. You must know how to use it against him.
I can activate the extractor, but it'll only work if he's standing still. Pin him down using the pincers. I'll activate the machine. The trap is active. Hit it down!
Nefarious old friend, you gotta admit, the sight of two dudes just hugging it out warms the cockles of your mechanical heart, huh?
Well, Dr. Croyd seems to be doing better. Still keeps feeding me those treats, but otherwise he's surprisingly sane. So, another world saved, another galactic disaster averted. Some retirement, huh?
This may sound strange, but I think I prefer hero work.
You know something, pal? So do I. You think the Tharpods will be okay when Dr. Croyd destroys these planet fragments?
Time will tell, I suppose, but I believe they will be just fine.
All right, Nefarious. Hands where I can see him.
Wait, how did you guys get down here?
Yes, about that, help finally arrived.
Good evening, sir. I hope you don't mind, but, well, it turns out the evil sidekick market is a bit thin these days. I don't suppose there's room in your employ for one more?
Nice try, Lawrence. But today's been a day of revelations for all of us. Together we faced a villain that was neither robot nor squishy. And we learned a little something about life, friendship, and the sticky connective tissue between right and wrong. So I'm afraid Dr. Nefarious isn't going to do anything but steal our show.
What do you expect? I'm a supervillain! Bon voyage, losers!
Sometimes it feels like the universe just writes itself.
Yeah? But how do we get off this rock now?
I'll fly.
I got shotgun.
I am not sure this vessel is ready for interplanetary travel.
Nevo flew it over here from Billerog, didn't he? Besides, a couple new ion ducts, some hull sealant, maybe a new grav thruster. We'll be off the planet in no time.
What planet? Who the heck are you people?
Ratchet, we cannot pilot a weaponized drone into Luminopolis.
Relax. I pilot weaponized drones into Luminopolis twice a week. It's like a fine at 10 bolts in the class you take online. Or can probably pardon us.
Perks of the job.
Oh, why even bother?